Are you looking for the best outdoor curtains? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best outdoor curtains on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Easygoing outdoor curtains. Easygoing curtains are the perfect addition to your indoor or outdoor space. With a variety of colors and sizes to choose from, each package includes one curtain that measures 54 by 84 inches. The unique design features 8 silver stainless steel grommets on the top for easy hanging and smooth sliding, as well as 3 tabs at the bottom to keep the curtain fixed in place. Made with 100% polyester material Oxford fabric, these curtains are waterproof, block out sunlight and UV rays, and are great for reducing noise and insulating against heat. They provide privacy and safety for your porch, pool, balcony, gazebo, patio, pergola, garden, bathroom or indoor rooms. Plus, they're easy to care for with machine washable capabilities. What we like: sun and wind blocking, quick drying and waterproof, easy installation, attractive and cozy appearance, affordable price. What we don't like: slightly thin fabric, not full blackout. Number 2. BONZER outdoor curtains for patio. BONZER waterproof outdoor curtains for patio are made of durable, soft and thick 100% polyester fabric with the same color on the front and back. These curtains are manufactured in a standard 100 certified by the OEKOTX factory and are available in vibrant solid colors. They are designed to block out some of the sunlight and keep rainwater out, providing total privacy protection. They are machine washable and come with rust-proof grommets/eyelets with a 1.6-inch diameter to easily accommodate the pole. What we like: durable outdoor fabric, effective wind and sun protection, easy installation, enhances privacy, attractive appearance. What we don't like: some sun fading over time, minor issues with eyelets. Number 3. Draphelle Extra Wide Waterproof Outdoor Curtains 2-Pack. The Draphelle outdoor mesh curtains come as a set of 2 large panels, each measuring 125 by 98 inches, perfect for covering wide spaces like patios or porches. Made from a lightweight, breathable mesh fabric, these curtains let fresh air flow freely while keeping bugs like mosquitoes away, making your outdoor time more comfortable. They are also waterproof and dry quickly, so you don't have to worry about rain or moisture ruining them. Plus, with rod pockets at both the top and bottom, you have flexible options to hang or secure the curtains just the way you like, giving you control over your outdoor privacy and style. What we like: excellent bug protection, easy installation, allows clear outdoor view, lightweight material, good value for money. What we don't like: minimal privacy, edges could be neater. Number 4. RYB Home Outdoor Curtains. RYB Home Outdoor Curtains are the perfect addition to your patio or outdoor space. These blackout curtains come in a single panel and feature a stainless steel grommet for easy installation. The triple wave materials provide thermal insulation, blocking 85 to 95% of sunlight and helping to regulate the temperature inside. Not only do these curtains offer privacy, but they also protect your furniture from sun damage. Made from waterproof fabric, they can be hung even in rainy or snowy conditions and dry quickly. With easy care instructions and a commitment to quality, RYB Home Outdoor Curtains are a great choice for any outdoor setting. What we like: excellent sun and heat blockage, heavy-duty, durable fabric, waterproof and quick drying, attractive design and color choices, effective wind resistance. What we don't like: some fading and strong sunlight, minor grommet separation. Number 5. PureFit Waterproof Outdoor Curtains for Patio. PureFit waterproof outdoor curtains for patio are made from weather-resistant fabric with silver rust-proof grommets. These UV and fade-resistant curtains provide both privacy and breathability, allowing air to pass through and creating a comfortable outdoor space. These waterproof curtains are perfect for indoor and outdoor spaces, and are easy to clean in a washing machine. What we like: thick, durable fabric, blocks sunlight effectively, waterproof and weather-resistant, elegant appearance, easy installation and cleaning. What we don't like: color may fade over time. Some panels are thin,